Good afternoon, friends. So I was today. I hope I will be able to end the chapter that is village Palampur. काफी आपने पालमपुर के बारे में जान लिया, सोच लिया, समझ लिया. I think comparison भी कर लिया अपने village के साथ इसका. Isn't so? So today I will do with you non-farming activities in Palampur. Non-farming activities in Palampur. And one is farming activity directly when you are indulged in farming. Directly जब आप खेतों में काम करते हो, that is called farming, direct farming. When things are related to farming, but are not directed. As directed, you are doing directly in the farming in the agriculture way. That is called that is called non-farming activity. We have learned about the farming as the main production activity in Palampur. Farming is the main production activity in Palampur. We shall now take a look at some of the non-farming production also. अब हमने हमने farming activity देख ली कि agriculture करते हैं ज़्यादातर लोग और कुछ कईयों के पास they have got lots of ज़मीन, big acres, they have big landlords. What type of activities they are doing? Some are very small farmers, some are absolutely laborers. They are they are they are laborers and they are doing labor in the with in the farm of big landlords, landless farmers. So, but another part is there that only 25% of the people working in Palampur are engaged in activities other than agriculture. Just 25% लोग ये काम करते हैं. आपने अपने गांव में भी देखा होगा कईयों के पास बहुत सारी buffaloes and they have got the cows, they have got the dairy farming, and some of them they have got the poultry farming. Poultry farming also मुर्गियाँ पालते हैं and they used to sell the eggs and all. Right, these are the dairy farms. Yes, and these are the non-farming activities. Dairy farm, the other common activity. Dairy is a common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes and various kinds of grass as jawar and bajra grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj. I told you yesterday also, recapturing it. The nearby large village, two traders are there from Sahpur and they have got the collection come selling. Means दूध को लेके जाते हैं, चिल्ड करते हैं so that it should not be, ये खराब ना हो, ठीक है ना? So chilling centers are there at Raiganj. From their milk is sold in Raiganj and they have got the collection come selling. Right, and I did all the things. And then today I will have a small story. I want to share a small story along with you. The story of Mishri Lal, a very good name, Mishri Lal. Mishri is a sweet thing. So let's see what happens over here. Mishri Lal has purchased a mechanical sugarcane crushing machine run on electricity and has set up it on his field. उसने ना गन्ने को क्रश करने के लिए रस निकालने के बाद they want a jaggery in the if you go to UP side, Western UP, when you heard the name of Karana, a small village or town, whatever, they have before the Karana, you will find lots of jaggery manufacturing units are there. Electricity on his field, sugarcane crushing was earlier done with the help of bullocks. But before, but the people prefer to do it by machine these days. Mishra always buys sugarcane, also buys sugarcane from other farmers and process it into the jaggery. I told you process it into the jaggery. Jaggery का मतलब होता है गुड़. गुड़ बनाते हैं. यदि आप मैं इसको हिंदी में बता देता हूँ आपको so that it should be clear for you. आप अब एक यूपी के साइड जाओगे ना, वेस्टर्न यूपी के साइड करेंगे चले जाओ जो Shamli है, I think another UP town is there, Shamli. Before Shamli and Karena, you will find many fields are there. और वो ना वहाँ पे बहुत बड़े-बड़े जैगरी के यूनिट्स हैं, तो वहाँ पे गुड़ बनाया जाता है. The jaggery is then sold to the traders of Shahpur. वो जो गुड़ बनाते हैं डायरेक्टली वो शाहपुर के ट्रेडर्स को बेच दिया जाता है. In the process, Mishra makes a small profit. Right. So then we have got what capital, and now let's discuss some of the points. What capital did Mishra need to set up his jaggery manufacturing unit. If, how can you think that how much capital they need? It's written over here. Let's discuss. तुम्हें कैसे पता चलेगा कि जैगरी के यूनिट को स्थापित करने के लिए if you want to have a plant of jaggery manufacturing unit, how much money you need? So what you will do? Suppose you have no rough idea, is it? What you will do? You will go to that person who has have this type of unit, and you can ask him how much money you have spent to go for this type of unit. Isn't it? हिंदी में बता देता हूँ. यदि आपसे कोई कहे कि गुड़ बनाने के लिए गुड़ का जो मशीन वगैरह है बनाने के लिए, क्रशिंग मशीन चलाने के लिए कितना पैसे की जरूरत है, तो यू डोंट नो कि हाउ मच मनी इज रिक्वायर्ड. तो आप क्या करोगे? किसी एक इंसान या किसी इंसान के पास जाओगे जिसके पास ये यूनिट है, आप उससे पूछोगे, राइट? So how here? Who provides the labor in this case? Labor कौन देता है? You are asking also कौन कहाँ से labor आती है? Can you guess why Michelin is unable to increase his profit? Because lot of competition is there. Jaggery manufacturing में भी आजकल competition आ चुका है. So maybe it's one of the cause. You can ask the other causes also. Could you think of any reason why he might face a loss? How can he face the loss? Suppose if the profit is there, the loss you have to also be face the loss or sometimes they have to pay the loss also. So किस तरीके का loss है, कितना loss हो जाता है? You can ask this also. Why does Mishra sell his jaggery to the traders in Shapur and not in his village? अपने village में क्यों नहीं बेचता? Maybe his profit is not adequate profit नहीं है, up to the mass profit नहीं है. So these are the questions. Now next part is shopkeepers of Palampur. Right? It's a very interesting topic. When villages were not so much advanced, also villages they are very much advanced now. Right? You have got all weather roads and 24-hour electricity is there. Mechanized farming is there. Dairy farming are there. Poultry farms are there. People are having a lot of communication system. They have got the mobile. And let me tell you one thing in Gujarat. Villages are absolutely Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi villages are cooking. In Gujarat, you will find a lot of villages. They are 90, 80, 85% villages are Wi-Fi. The people are very rich over there in Gujarat. So now that particular scenario, which during the independence, now it's not like this. It is basically Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, Gujarat. So, they are the rich people. Rich people are rich people over there. So many shopkeepers were there. I am telling you about the early people. कहा जाता है कि एक लाला जी की दुकान है, और लाला जी की दुकान के अंदर सब कुछ मिलता था आपको, फ्री से लेकर बाइसाइकिल तक मिल जाता था. Everything. That Lala ji dukan was a famous. In every village, Lala ji dukan was a famous. You can purchase anything, any damn thing from there. From electricity, electric fan, from everything, your cycle, your buttons, your whatever household thing, everything is that. But now, that was only one shop. That used to be only one shop. But now, lots of shops are there. Shopkeeping is also a profession in villages. Got it now? So shopkeepers of part. People involved in trade exchange of goods. पहले क्या होता था, barter system होता था. Trade of goods होता था. You take my goods and I will take your goods because you need my goods. I need your goods, right? So are not many in barter system is not effective in any village. Of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale markets in the cities and sell them in the village. Will see small general stores in the village selling a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits. It's not biscuits, it's biscuits. Biscuits, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candles, notebooks, pen, pencil, even even some clothes. A few of the families whose houses are close to the bus stand have used a part of the space to open small shops. They sell e-tables, so e-tables. And I know shopkeeping is a good profession in developed or developing village. Then we have got the here. Then Kareem has opened a computer class. Now listen. I told you Wi-Fi system in Gujarat. Now it's in Haryana. In Haryana also, in anywhere in Punjab also, computer classes are there. Let's go to this small story. Kareem has opened a computer class center in village. In recent years, a large number of students have shown attending college have been attending college in Shahpur town. वहाँ पे college obviously education system is one of the many school and colleges are there in villages. Many school and colleges, government school, government college for girls, government school for girls and boys, and they are good. 3 or 4 schools are everywhere in every village. So could be colleges are also there. They used to go to the attending the college of Shahpur town. Karim found that a number of students from village are also attending computer classes in the town. Computer classes in town. They used to go and attend the computer classes. So what he did, there were 2 women in the village who had degree in computer application. Just imagine कीजिए और underline कीजिए sentence को. 2 women were there in the village of Shahpur or in Palampur, whatever it is, who had a degree in computer application, master of computer application, a bachelor in computer application, BCA, bachelor of computer application, or MCA. He decided to employ them. He bought computers and set up classes in front room of their house overlooking the market. Just his house was Kareem house was near to the market, and it was one of the best opportunity and best position he can open his shop for the computer classes. Market. High school students have started attending this in good number. These students are there coming to join the computer classes, and he had two teachers who had got degree in computer application. So this is the story of advanced aspect. Then we have a transport of fast developing sector. Yeah. So what we have done, हमने 3 चीजें की. सबसे पहले किया small scale manufacturing in part. रिश्तेदार के बारे में जाना, right? तब हमने जाना shopkeeper of Palampur, Then some trades, other traders are there. Now we will go for transport, a fast developing sector. Transport, आपके गांव में भी buses आती होगी. School buses in your villages are many schools have their own buses and they used to fly in the villages also, and from the cities they used to come to the villages. So transport of fast developing sector. There are a variety of vehicles on the route connecting Palampur to Raigan. Vehicles are there. Rickshawalas are there, Tonga twice there used to be local buses by the states, but the state individually, Haryana state and all. But now the people are there, they have purchased their own buses and they are flying between a city or towns or villages, right? So it's the transport is a business now, right? Some rickshawalas are also there, Tangawalas also there. Tongas are now not in seen. I have not seen now in Tongas. Basically, the horses used to go there. Jeep, tractor, truck drivers, people driving the traditional bullock cart and bogies are people that transport them. The ferry people go from one place to another and return get paid for it. The number of people involved in transport has gone up over the last several years. अब ट्रांसपोर्ट का बिजनेस जो करते हैं ना काफी बढ़ गया है वहाँ पे. There are trucks, small mini trucks are also there. Auto rickshaws are also there. Some type of trucks are there, right? Jeeps are there. So transport services are good. Now it's a good fast developing sector. It's a good fast developing sector. समझ आ रहा है आपको? Right? तो ट्रांसपोर्ट जो है, जो हमने क्या क्या जाना, शॉपकीपिंग के बारे में जाना, ट्रांसपोर्ट के बारे में जाना, डेयरी फार्मिंग के बारे में जाना, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में जाना. Isn't so? So, Kishora, another story. There are many stories. Stories give you lot of energy. Still, I feel lot of energy when I read stories. Do you feel also? Yes or no? You think also, I'm unable to hear you from you. But whenever I ask a question, you are also mum. Be free. Give me the free answers. That what do you think about your village, right? Which is your village is good, or you think the Palampur village, what is depicted in this part, in this chapter, is it good, or your chapter is good? The village chapter is good. Okay. Be free to ask. Be free to tell me. Right? Conversation should be to and from. दोनों तरफ से कन्वर्सेशन होना चाहता नहीं मैं पढ़ाया जा रहा हूँ आप सुनिए. It's not a storytelling. Okay. So Kishora is a farm labor. Like other such laborers now. अभी तक हमने शॉपकीपर के बारे में पढ़ा, ट्रांसपोर्टर्स के बारे में पढ़ा, then एग्रीकल्चरर्स के बारे में पढ़ा, नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटी के बारे में पढ़ा. Now we will go for the laborers. Kishora is a laborer, farm labor. Like other such laborers, Kishora found it difficult to meet his family needs. Labor, obviously, lots of demands are also there from his family, but he is unable to found it. It's unable to meet everybody's needs from the wages that he received. A few years back, Kishora took a loan from the bank. This was under a government program which was giving a cheap loan to the poor landless household. Kishora bought a buffalo with his money. He now sells the buffalo milk. अब उसने एक छोटा सा एक काम शुरू किया है दूध बेचने का. So further he has attached a wooden cart to his buffalo and used it to the transport various items. Once a week he goes to the river Ganga to bring back spray of the fodder, or sometimes he goes to the Shahpur with load of jaggery or other commodities. तो उसने क्या किया, थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा बिजनेस शुरू किया दूध देने का, और बेसिकली एक उसके पास कार्ट भी है और उसमें से वो सामान को लेकर गाँव शहर में जाता है. फ्रॉम शहर ही every month he gets some work in transport. As a result, Kishora is able to earn more than what he used to do something back. So अब Kishora जो है धीरे he is getting good amount of money so that his needs are to be satisfied. Obviously, everybody's needs are to be satisfied. So let's go for the summary. I gave you homework. Obviously, if you remember, all friends, listen to me. Remember that I gave you homework. Homework was of summary. So let's go for the summary also. Then this chapter will be over. Yeah. And your homework is you will complete the complete chapter because it is in the syllabus also. And whatever the questions are there, you will do as your homework. Many questions are there. We'll discuss it later on within 3 or 4 minutes. Listen to me carefully. Let's come to the screen. Yeah, summary is there. Summary means, what do you mean by summary? कहानी नहीं है ये summary का मतलब. Summary means कोई एक पार्ट को छोटा करके आपको बताया गया, sum up किया गया, sum up से summary बनाया. Please improve your English also side by side. From sum up, it becomes the summary. Okay. Now I'm going to sum up the chapter. Now summary is there. Farming is the main production activity in the village. Over the years, there have been very important changes in the way of farming is practiced. These have allowed the farmers to produce more crops from the same amount of land. We have done it, this part. This is an important achievement. जब आप एक खेत से कई कई फसलें ले लेते हो तो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट अचीवमेंट. सिंस लैंड इज फिक्स, लैंड तो फिक्स है भाई. यू कैन नॉट इम्प्रूव योर लैंड एंड आप लैंड खरीद सकते हो, लैंड को आगे बढ़ा नहीं सकते. तो सिंस लैंड इज फिक्स एंड स्कार्स बहुत कम हो चुका है. बट इन रेजिंग प्रोडक्शन great deal of pressure has been put on the land and other natural resources. The new ways of farming need less land but much more of capital. Much more of capital. आपको कम जमीन चाहिए. जमीन इतनी ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए. हेक्टेयर 100 हेक्टेयर 200 हेक्टेयर की जमीन नहीं चाहिए आपको. थोड़े कम जमीन आपको कम चाहिए. बट यू नो व्हाट यू नीड, मच मोर ऑफ कैपिटल. पैसा चाहिए आपके पास. The medium and large farmers are able to use their own savings from the production to arrange for capital during the next season. जो मीडियम फार्मर्स होते हैं, जो बड़े फार्मर्स, आपने फार्मर्स के बारे में तेजपाल, राइट, इसके बारे में जाना होगा. then what he used to do, he used to save his farm money and he used to use it for the next season. On the other hand, small farmers, who constitute about 80% of the total farmers in India, find it difficult to obtain capital because of the small size of their plots. Their production is not enough. Production इतनी नहीं होती है. प्लॉट का साइज कम है, खेतों के साइज कम हो चुके हैं, right? So they find difficult. Mediocre family, middle class farmers, they find it difficult to obtain much. So their production, why? Because their production is not enough. And because of the small size of lot, their production is not enough, their lack of surplus means, and they are unable to obtain capital from their own sales and have to borrow. So certain over तब वो क्या करते हैं, borrow करते, उधार लेते, right? Besides the debt, many of the small farmers have to do additional work as farm laborers to feed themselves and their families. They have to do some additional work to meet their both ends. Labor labor being the most abundant factor of production. What is the abundant? One mark question, underline karo. What is the abundant factor of production? Abundant factor of production is labor. Labor is the abundant factor of production. मतलब काफी मात्रा में labor मिल जाता है. It would be ideal if the new ways of farming use much more labor. Unfortunately, such a thing has not happened. The use of labor on farm is limited. Use of labor in farm is limited because mechanization is there. The labor is looking for opportunities, is just migrating to the neighborhood villages. तो आपने देखा होगा during the harvesting season, lots of people coming from neighboring villages and from the other states also, Bihar, UP, and Jharkhand. They used to come and they used to work in the fields of the people of the right. The labor looking for opportunities is thus migrating to the neighboring village, towns and cities. Some labor has entered the non-farming activities in the village. कुछ लोग labor जो non-farming activities भी करते हैं. At present, the non-farm sector in village is not very large. Out of every 100 workers, the rural areas in India, only 24 are engaged in non-farming activities. We should do the non-farming activities because lots of labor, they don't have farming land, farmland. They don't have small land that is not enough for them. So they should indulge in non-farming activities. In the future, one would like to see non-farming production activities in the village. Unlike farming, non-farming activities require little land. What non-farming requires? They requires little land. बहुत ज़्यादा farming land के लिए नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा land नहीं चाहिए non-farming activities के लिए. People with some amount of capital can set up their non-farming activities. तो थोड़े से पैसे से भी non-farming activities खरीदी की जा सकती है, जैसे मिश्री लाल ने किया था in your book, and another one was Kishora, a laborer. He also did it. Some examples are there in your book. Another thing is what is essential for the expansion of non-farming activity is to have market. Market should be good, right? Market should be good, and if the market is good, then the services will be also good. The market is good, services will be also good. Then he will have lots of work. The laborers